The rise of Chiara the Phoenix. Once upon a time, when there were no humans yet on Earth, and sightings of mythical creatures were nothing uncommon, there was a young phoenix with feathers burning like the golden sun. This phoenix's name was Chiara. Over thousands of years, Chiara would travel over the world, go on adventures like fighting giants, visiting the moon, becoming an idol, and many other things. However, every couple of 100 years, Chiara's lifespan would come to an end, going up in flames, but soon rising from her own ashes again. Every time she would rise, she would be reborn in another dimension, discovering completely new worlds. Nowadays, there are no more phoenixes left on this earth, and in most other dimensions. Chiara started feeling lonely and decided to take human form for her next life and do what humans do. Chiara decided she would come to this world and conquer it in a different, new way. Today is that day. Today, Chiara the Phoenix is reborn.
Hi everyone! I am Takanashi Chiara! Woo! 皆さんはじめまして、Takanashi Chiara です。よろしくお願いします。I finally revived. Stream of the death just happened, and obviously it killed me. She slayed me with her marvelous raps. I died for a second, but hey, here I am again. You can never win against me. Like, maybe in this form I'm small and playing, but I ain't playing when I'm the real Phoenix, okay? And I'm not small either in that form, okay? Don't mess with me. I might be small, I might be playing now, but normally no. I was not really born on July 6th, but I never, since I'm eternal, I never like celebrated a birthday until now. But joining Hololive, I was told I should maybe get a birthday, because then I get lots of presents, and I love presents. So since I have no idea when I was born first, so I went with July 6th, National Fried Chicken Day, my favorite day. Apparently it's not the International Fried Chicken Day, but it's the National Fried Chicken Day of a certain country. Yeah. I am eternal! Yeah, you jealous? So, I will never die, no matter how many times you kill me, Callie. I will stay alive forever, since I love you forever. And I'm a Phoenix! Ay. M Phoenix. M Phoenix. Yes. I'm not chicken. Stop calling me chicken. 鶏って絶対呼ぶな。わかったか? Don't call me chicken. I'm a phoenix. Obviously. Look at me. No. I'm also not a turkey or a rooster. Kick-a-dicky is the sound the phoenix makes. Move on. Ow. Ah! Okay. My papa is Fuke-sama. Can you believe it? 信じられる？私のパパ、ふけ様だよ。信じられる？すごいでしょ。やばいよね。やばい、マジやばい。すごい自慢のパパである。I'm so proud to have him. I'm actually like, I'm proud to be his daughter. Like, oh my god. Oh, he is the creator of various amazing characters. あー、見てる？ありが泣きそうや。I'm gonna cry. Gorgeous. I speak bird. 鳥語を喋れます。I speak German. Hallo, ich bin Takanashi Chiara. Wie geht's euch? Jo. Deutsch ist eigentlich meine Muttersprache. Ja. Ihr habt mir nicht geglaubt. Ihr habt geglaubt, ich benutze einen Übersetzer. Nein, ich brauche sowas nicht. I speak English, but not perfect, so please be kind to me. そして日本語、もちろんペラペラ。My favorite senior is うさらぺこら先輩。コンペココンペココンペコ。ハロライブ3期生のうさらぺこらぺこ。どうもどうもどうも。